Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com. We are back in Las Vegas. We are back at the Venetian Resort property, and this time we're on the Palazzo side. So we're going to go in here real quick, and I'm going to show you the registration area for the Palazzo, which is where you'll enter if you're staying on this side. And I'm also going to give you a peek at the swimming pools today, a little peek at the Grand Canal Shoppes and whatnot. So right here is the registration area for the Palazzo. They also have a beautiful VIP lounge, which is one of my very favorite things about this property. So definitely aim high for that status if you can. Now a peek at our room at the Palazzo. This is a Palazzo suite. We are on the 40th floor. I have a video that I will link to down below of the Venetian suites. Very similar, but also kind of different. So you're going to want to find that video if you have plans on getting to the Venetian, which I definitely think you should. So these rooms are gorgeous. Here's a look at the bathroom, incredibly spacious. The bathroom feels as big as a lot of hotel property rooms to me. So super spacious. This one, you have a shower and a bathtub, which is so nice and rare. But as you can see, really nice tub. Again, just crazy amount of room in these bathrooms, double sinks, lots of product. Got a television in the bathroom just in case you don't want to miss your sporting event or soap opera or whatever you're into. I also love this little vanity area with the makeup mirror. It is so nice when you're trying to get ready. And then of course the toilet area closes off from the larger bathroom area, which also closes off from the rest of the room, which again, so nice. Okay, now let me show you the actual suite area. These are incredible. This is a 2-queen suite. Look at all this room. Just massive the way this is laid out. Lots of storage. You are gonna have plenty of room for all the things. Your robe, your iron, your ironing board, and you're safe. And then huge television and another television down in the area down there. I'll show you in just a minute. Lots of light controls in these rooms, and I'll give you actually a better peek at that in a second because I really love the way they've done the lighting in these rooms. And then also so handy, right by the bed, you have the switch that controls the curtains. And sounds crazy, but it is so helpful when you want to just shut off those Vegas lights, because if you've been to Vegas, you know you're not getting any sleep with the curtains open. It's just 24/7 with the lights. So, okay, now we're down in the living room area. You can see they do have fully stacked mini bar, snack bar, whatnot. You will get charged if you touch or move any of these, but literally they have everything you could want. So good and bad in that. Another television set down here in this little living room area. These rooms are just so spacious. You can see just lots of room for lounging. There's a desk area. Now I'm going to show you a little trick with the lights that I love. There is a master switch for these lights. And before I show you a peek out the window, I'm going to turn them off and hopefully not wreck myself walking back. But there is one light switch by the door that actually instantly controls all the lights. And that's really handy because you're not running all over flipping switches. I really like how they did that. So now just to give you a peek out at this view, incredible. You can see the moon up there. I've said it a million times, but I love a view when I'm traveling. I especially love a view when I'm traveling to Vegas. It just helps you soak in the whole experience, and this is a really good one. I'll give you a peek at what this looks like in the daylight in just a minute. But the other great thing about this view and this property is that when you're ready to shut it all off, you can just be in your bed and reach over and switch these off and say goodnight to Vegas just like that. So awesome. I just love this, and I love the length and space in these rooms. It's just perfect. Okay, so now we're going to take a peek at what you just saw and what this looks like in the daytime. As you can see, just a massive property, and you're not going to believe how many swimming pools there are at the Venetian Palazzo property. In fact, I have a whole separate video that I'll be sharing, and it'll be linked in the comments to give you a walk around through these pool areas, but it is insane. You will not, I don't think you'll have a hard time finding a pool area or a lounge chair. There are so many places to lounge by the pool at this property. It's insane. It's incredible. And it's a beautiful, beautiful pool area. So definitely add that to your list. And then of course the Grand Canal Shoppes. You're definitely going to want to take this in. It is one of the huge perks about staying at the Venetian, in my opinion. You have everything right here. You would not even really need to leave this property. All of the dining, shopping, the casino, the restaurants, there's just so much to see and do, and you're going to have it all right here. So definitely put this on your list. It's an experience in itself. I have lots of other videos, including a full Grand Canal Shoppe walk around. Again, as I mentioned, the pool area walk around, and videos of the suites here at the Venetian and the Palazzo. I will link to everything down in the comments below. Highly recommend the Venetian for your next stay in Vegas. Let me know if you have questions. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.